Hey boys and girls, now that you're done with your video for our letter today, we're going to start our care lesson. Before we get into it, let's talk about what our objective is today. So by the end of this lesson, we will decode and encode words with a long U. So let's look over what our words are for today. So I'm going to need you guys to say these with me. Our first word is, we're using more magic E words today. So the first one we're looking at is U consonant E, as in mule, and that makes a U sound. So let's all say it together. U consonant E, mule, U. One more time. U consonant E, mule, U. Okay, so our next U word is U consonant E again, but this time it kind of makes a different sound, so we'll have to listen closely to hear it. This U consonant E, flute, it makes more of a ooh sound. So let's try it all together this time. We're going to do U consonant E, flute, ooh. U consonant E, flute, ooh. And then we have one last one over here that we'll just touch on very lightly. This is U for umbrella. That's not a long U, that's a short U sound. So do you remember what that is? Umbrella. So that's U, umbrella, Okay. So we're going to move on so we can pull apart our words for today. So I'm going to need everybody to get your hands out in front of you, ready to break these words apart. Our first one is June. So June. Tune. Cube. Ood. Rude. Use. Ooh, this is a longer one, so let's get our hands ready to scoop. Ready? We're going to do confuse. Whew, that was a longer one. We're going to do your. Oh, let's stop for a minute, and we should remember our R-controlled words, because that kind of makes the vowel sound like the R, right? So this one's going to sound different than our other U consonant E words. Let's move on to the next one. I see the same pattern there for sure. So we're on the top, on the third row now. We're going to do mule, ool, rule, huge. Okay, good job, guys. And remember, if at any point we're going quickly for these next sections, when we're highlighting, underlining, and writing our words, you can pause the video so that way you can finish and then catch up with the rest of us. So the first thing we're going to do is get our pencils out so we can highlight our words. So what makes the U sound in June? What letters make the U sound in June? It's U consonant E. Tune. What makes the U sound in tune? It's U consonant E. Go to cube. What makes the U sound in cube? U consonant E. Go to rude. What makes the U sound in rude? U consonant E. And we're going to go up to our second column now. The word is use. What makes the U sound in use? U consonant E. And our longer word that we scooped, confuse. What makes the U sound in confuse? We're going to go all the way to the end for our U consonant E. Our next word is cure. What makes the U sound in cure? And this one's a little tricky, remember, because it's an R-controlled word, so the R is going to change the U sound a little bit. But we have our U consonant E right here in the middle. And the same for sure, another R-controlled word. So that's our U consonant E. And we're going to go up to our third column. Our first word is mule. And remember, this makes a different sound for the U. It makes an ooh sound. So what makes the ooh sound in mule? U consonant E. And what makes the oo sound in rule? It's a U consonant E. And our last word is huge. What makes the oo sound in huge? It's our U consonant E. Great job, guys. So we're going to go turn your page to the back, and there should be a line at the top. And I'm going to tell you a sound, and I need you to write what letters make that sound. So our first one is, what makes the U sound like in mule? What letters make the U sound like in mule? And remember, when we're representing a consonant, we can just do a dash. U consonant E makes the U sound in mule. So for the next one, we're going to write what letters make the oo sound like in flute. What makes an oo sound like in flute? Again, U consonant E makes the oo sound like in flute. And our last one, this should be one that we're really familiar with. What makes the sound like umbrella? What letter makes the sound like an umbrella? That's just U. That's our lowercase u. And now we're going to go practice writing some words together. So make sure everyone has our pencils out and we're ready to work. The first word we're going to write is cube. We're going to write the word cube. And if you need to pause at any minute, I'll be writing the words along so you can check your work when you're done writing it. So our word is cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Our next word is huge. Huge. That's H-U-G-E. Our next word is going to be mule. Mule. M-U-L-E. Our next word is June. June. J, and I'm making it a capital J because that's a proper word because it's the name of a month. J-U-N-E. And our last word for today is going to be rude. Rude. R-U-D-E. Rude. Great work, guys. So now we are all done writing for today in our care books. So I need everybody to stand up with me because we're going to do our high frequency words for this week. So let's all get ready to shake our bodies out and get ready. Our first word is everywhere. So let's get our hands up and ready and do E, V, E, R, Y, W, H, E, R, E. Our next word is machines. So M, A, C, H, I, N, E, S. Our next word is woman. W, O, M, A, N. Whew, I always feel like a chicken after that one. The last word, and this is world. So let's do W-O-R-L-D. And we're going to move to the next column for live. L-I-V-E. Okay, we're almost to the end. We're going to do move. M-O-V-E. And our very last word for today is work. W-O-R-K. Great job, guys. Thank you for doing this along with me and working so hard. I look forward to seeing you guys again in person next week.